How to fix cannot start Microsoft Outlook error. So here I am in my desktop, and then from here, let's open Microsoft Outlook. So I can just go to search, I can just search for Outlook, and then from here, I can see the application, I can click on it, and then the normal way in Outlook is that it should be automatically open right here. But if you are experiencing some problems in opening Outlook, so you might encounter the bug that says cannot open Outlook. And usually it looks like this. So you can see here, this is the error, cannot start Microsoft Outlook, cannot open the Outlook window, and so on. So this is usually the problem sometimes. So if you want to fix that, there is a solution for it. So we can use the repair feature of Microsoft. So to do that, we need to go to the control panel. So just click search, type in the control panel, click on the control panel, and then we need to go here to programs and features. From here, you will see your list of apps in your desktop or in your computer. Then let's go to the search bar, then type in Microsoft. From here, you can see this, Microsoft 365 or Microsoft 365 apps for business. So this will depend if you are using a personal Microsoft Outlook account or a business Microsoft Outlook account. So just choose what you want and then click change. Then from here, click yes. Then you will see this window appear. So you have two options. You have the quick repair and then you have the online repair. So I prefer just using the quick repair first because this will fix most issues quickly without using an internet connection. Then, after you have used quick repair and then you're still having some problems with Outlook, now you can use online repair. So for online repair, this will fix all issues but will take a little longer and requires an internet connection. So you can select this option if you are still having some problems after using quick repair. And then that is it. So just choose from these two and then click the repair button. Keep in mind that this will also take a little while to finish. So you just need to wait for that to finish. And after it's finished, you can try opening Outlook again. And then you can see if the problem is now fixed. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix the Microsoft Outlook cannot start error. I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.